Hey, Gary here with you. So I'm having a little bit of fun inside of the How to Draw Books generator. You can see here I'm making a pirate image or I'm using a pirate image here to make a how to draw page. And this is one of the pirate images that I'm giving you when you check out the bonus page right here for picking up the front end. You can see I played with this pirate before. But here inside of this drawing that I'm creating, what I've done is I've taken the original pirate image that you see here now on the left, and you can see I've made a few edits to that. But the cool thing is I made the edits right here inside of the How to Draw Books generator without having to use any other application to edit the SVG file. Also, I want to bring attention to a update. There is a link that'll take you over to the page that you see right here, how to use a Rogue SVG file with no layering to create a step-by-step tutorial that would make Picasso smile. This video is from the creator or one of the creators of How to Draw Books generator. What they're doing here is showing you what the future looks like inside of this app when you take an SVG that they're calling a Rogue SVG because it wasn't a Rogue, or it wasn't an SVG that was created from the aspect of creating a simple how to draw image. So you could do what you see here inside of HTBG, How to Draw Books generator. So I want to show you real quick, and don't forget, check out that video. It's going to amaze you, but I want to show you real quick. When you take a look at inside of the generator, the How to Draw Books generator, when you use the split to steps, of course, this is one of the upsells. It's in the funnel. All the videos, I'll link to those as well as add them to the cards here on this video if you haven't seen this yet. But the idea here is when you import an SVG, in this case, the SVG, one of the pirates that I'm giving you as a bonus, it came in as 35 layers. Because again, this image was made by an artist and they were simply concerned with drawing the pirate. But as you can see here, the original image, when I cancel out of that, is not the image that I'm using. Because what I've done is I've used the editor here inside of the How to Draw Books generator to delete some of the elements. So now you can see that layer 1 is the pirate himself, and layer 2 is just the clamshell that he is standing on. So if you were to take away layer 2 by unchecking it, you can see the clamshell goes away. Then you check and you see that the clamshell is back. If you were to take away layer 1, that is the pirate. But the beauty of this, inside of the layers, you can merge and you can add layers, but you can also go to settings, and then you can do what I've done here, and I've deleted some of the elements. Again, pause this or take a look at the original piece of art in the SVG that I'm giving you as a bonus. You can see here there is a lot of detail, or there is quite a bit of detail. For example, the teeth, and then what I'm assuming is the tie or hair here. I've taken all that away. I've taken the teeth away. I've taken bits and pieces of the nose, some of the stuff off the shirt, and some of the other smaller lines that make this a very complicated image and you don't want to use if you're trying to make a simple how to draw book. So you can see that I've done that. And if I go back to the layered settings, if I simply, for example, if I want to delete this element, I just select it and I say delete selected elements. Now see, that takes it away and it messes up the drawing. So then I have to cancel that. There is no undo button at this stage, but I didn't save it, so I can click edit again and you can see now that I'm back. But if I wanted to say take off, let's say take off this pirate skull, for example, if I don't like the skull or I don't want it and I just want the crossbone X, then I can just come in here and I say delete selected elements, and then I simply save that. And now check this out, when I go back into the editor and I want to go back to templates, and then when I come down to templates and I want to add a new page, I'll add a new page, and then I want to select a template right here. We'll go ahead and load that template. That template will load with 3 steps or 3 layers. You can see that loaded in here. Then I simply come and bulk clone, step-by-step layers, and then I select the two layers, the new image that I created, and I apply that. It's going to bulk clone it, and now you can see here that that image that I've made now with my step-to-step image, go ahead and get rid of that box because really there's only 2 steps. You can see here now that I have step 1 and step 2, but again, take a look at the element. I'll scroll back up here and you can see here has the skull. If I scroll back down here, you can see now it just has the crossbones on the hat. And then of course, if I bring in the original image, you can see I've gotten rid of the hair, the teeth, the little lines that give it the little detail that the artist was concerned about, but for a how to draw book, I may not be concerned with. Take a look at the link in the description about this, how to draw or how to use a Rouge SVG image. You're going to be very impressed with what this app is going to be able to do, what they're working on, and you're going to get all of that right now for a one-time price when you buy that option. That's all explained in the funnel video on the bonus page after you watch this video here about this Rouge SVG, so you can see the power of this how to draw books generator app. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to you later. Bye.